Well, we did just have a breakthrough of sorts on one of the big areas of disagreement that were hanging over this summit, and that's about IP rights for making COVID-19 vaccines. It's kind of a compromise. We've just had a press conference with French President Emmanuel Macron, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen, and South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. They announced this technology transfer agreement in which the EU is going to help set up manufacturing facilities for mRNA COVID-19 vaccines in Africa. Now, this isn't the full technology transfer that African countries have been asking for. Specifically, they've been asking for this TRIPS waiver, which would waive the IP rights over these vaccines and allow Africans to make the vaccines themselves. The Europeans haven't wavered on that. They said they can't violate the fundamental principles of intellectual property, and it would be a slippery slope if they did so. However, they say on the European side that this technology transfer agreement will allow African countries to make the vaccines. And as President Macron just said, we're doing this in the right order. First, we donated vaccines that were made here, and now we're having the vaccines made in Africa. And President von der Leyen said Europe understands the frustration of Africans. They understand the problem. She noted that right now, of all the vaccines that are being administered in Africa, only 1% were produced in Africa. She said that the goal under this technology transfer agreement is that by 2040, that number should rise to 60%. So that's a big breakthrough. We're still waiting for the final communique from this afternoon, which will touch on the other big issue of the summit, which is the Global Gateway Fund. It's meant to take on China's Belt and Road Initiative. It's 150 billion euros for Africa over the next 7 years. The EU wants guarantees about transparency and governance in order to hand over this money. But also, as you said, they want to emphasize that this is a new type of partnership and they don't want the traditional donor-recipient paradigm.